Yeah, this is gonna take me forever. You know, I've been cleaning this car for like a week now. I have the little extractor that could. Takes it a while. You have to charge it so many times. I'm gonna get some better equipment in the future, but side aside, most of the car's clean. I put this seat back in the passenger seat. The carpet still looks brown, but I'm not going for a whole, clean looking thing for this car. I'm going for more of a keep it sanitary so I don't have to feel sick every time I drive this car. Because smokers in their cars, yeah, fine, but when you have to live in one of their cars that recently was smoked in heavily, I mean, you kind of get this nasty black stuff in the carpet, and it reeks. So, yeah, I'll keep you updated on that. Just haven't posted in a while because this takes a while. Usually I'd be done by now, but this place is just so nasty. So that's why I haven't been really posting, because I've been working on this constantly. That, and plus I have a lot of certs I need to get.